Kaya kahit meron ko narinig na sabihin niya,
Putang ina mo!
ang anak niya.
Bakit ba? Ako lang upo nito eh. Aray! Ito na si Kuya, ito na si Kuya, ito siya, ito siya. Kamusta, kamusta, kamuti naman po, biglang natago. Biglang natago. Ano ba yan? Nandito si nanay. Ito si tatay, ito si nanay. Kamusta, kamusta, bilang natago. Kamusta si Kikya? Kamusta si Kikya? Ano ba yung lahat dito? Kuya.
It has the nutritious goodness called B12, milk, cocoa, vitamins, and minerals.
Nandito si ate, ito na si Putok.
Winning energy.
Tignan ko lang. Hindi ko alit. Isa yung drawing.
Kinis. Unang tingin pa lang. Puti na.
Don't touch it.
Kinis pa.
Nag-Myra Vitamin Body Lotion may vitamin E-Bs and natural plant extracts that help nourish skin deep inside for a healthy white glow.
Si motherfucker.
Hanggang malapitan. Healthy white glow sa Myra Vita White Lotion. Yan ang alagang baby take by Myra. Conditioner. Nilagyan. Moms can do anything so their kids can experience the best. They choose Viva Cheese Dog, packed with delicious cheesy bits that's tested by moms and loved by kids.
Nescafe White Mocha. My favorite Nescafe coffee. Pleasant, rich, cocoa flavor. Sarap nga. Nescafe White Mocha.
All-new Downy Baby Turtle. Soft and lightly scented fabrics that's dermatologically for baby's clothes. Because we love your baby like you do. All-new Downy Baby Turtle.
Biglang natago. Biglang natago.
Biglang mabaho.
Hiya-hiya. Ito si nanay. Ito si tatay. Kamusta mo? Kamusta
Sana ang lahat.
Biglang natago.
Ako salamat po makapera.